Oh dear. This road is not meant for meeting other cars on. But I didn't end up in a ditch. That's good. Summer is gone. I guess summer was in May. And now that it's June, I don't know what it is. April weather? It's cold, rainy and windy. So, woohoo! Har ni vuxit? Har ni blivit stora kattungar? Åh. Hej! Åh, det är så söt. Det kanske är lika bra att ta en filmknupp.
Kolla tungan på henne.
Oj, vad fint. It's been an insane amount of rain, which is, hey, du med mig! Which is why Bella here is wearing a rug. That horse there, he cannot stand being separated from his pasture buddy. But his pasture buddy is inside eating, and he's gonna work soon. And this hot-headed youngster needs to learn. Söt du är. Ja, vad söt du är. Oj, hade du en fästing där? Åh. En liten skrutt. En liten skrutt. Det finns inga flugor där ute nu i stormen i alla fall, va? Nej, det är något man kan vara glad för då. Men du... Sorry sweetie, we're only halfway done. I know the wind is kind of annoying, but it's not that cold. And it's not raining. So I mean, I know you've eaten too much grass. Yeah. You just want to be asleep. Yeah. But you slept for a while. Yes, and you can sleep when we're done. Yeah. Can you do a little wakey wakey? Can we wakey wakey? Yeah. Come here. Duktig. Duktig. Så ja. Prutt, prutt, ja. Prutt, prutt. Prutt, prutt. Ja. need to be. I know. Good. And let's stretch the other way. Okay, let's stretch the other way. Good. 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 Nu så. Nu så. Nu är ni fina båda två. Ja, hon är lite större, jag håller med dig Pärlan.